I ordered a engine off of eBay. In scale, GP35. Looks a little dirty, a little rough. I haven't ran it yet because I don't know if it's DC or DCC. It was unknown condition. So I'm going to open it up, see what it is, lube it, clean her up a little bit, and put her on the track. Everybody opens these up differently. I usually just pull them apart. Make sure the hair and rails are already off. I already see this one's damaged. Pull the cab off. Well, it's DCC. Not the best soldering jobs. Ain't the worst. No idea where that screw just come from. Who knows? I'm gonna grab my lube. Go ahead and one little drop. This stuff goes a long way, so be sparing with it. This is the oil I use to lube all my engines. I'm gonna go and run that on the track and see if she works before I put her all back together. Yep, she ran great. Put her to the side. Clean the shell and stuff up a little bit. Grab me a piece of paper towel. Rubbing alcohol. Paintbrush. Whatever I'm cleaning with the alcohol. I got a wet brush and a dry brush. And what my paper towel can't get, I'll get down in those cracks, crevices. Looks a little better. Continue to the side. Alright, put that to the side. I did notice got some broken horns. Let's see if I can maybe 3D print some of those or find some on eBay or something. Probably be better to 3D print them. Put it back together. Get this out of here. Snap everything back in place. Oh, you gotta be careful when you put these on. You don't crush your handrails. Sometimes they'll pop out of the way. Just because you're clear on one side, don't mean you are the other side. And put your rails back in the hold. The one handrail we seen at the beginning. This one here. I'm gonna put that on, and I don't know if I'm gonna glue it or what. It's tiny. It's great. All right, he's ready to roll. Thanks for watching.